Noahas super soft modern shag area rugs, fluffy living room carpet, comfy bedroom, home decorate floor, kids playing mat 4 feet by 5.3 feet, gray. Material and size: the carpet has super soft velvet surface, sponge interlayer, non-slip plastic spots, bottom 4 feet x 5.3 feet 47 inches x 63 inches. Its thickness is about 1.77 inches 4.5 centimeters. Super soft feeling. Noahas shaggy velvet area rugs are elegant in texture and soft to the touch. This fluffy carpet provides a tranquil refuge for your family to rest their body and mind after a hectic day. Multi-purpose: embellish your floors with this shag rugs. It's a perfect home decor for bedroom, kids' room, girls' room, nursery room, college dorm, living room or study room, and harmoniously blend with most floors and furniture. Contracted style: Noahas is an advocate of minimalist design, where every details should be purposeful and direct. We take advantage of the simple line and the single color to interpret the concept of the modern area rugs. Easy to clean. Please try to shake off outdoors, hand wash or wipe clean with a wet rag. It's not shrink or fade after wash. Airing is under ventilated place. Drying machine is not allowed. If any problems or suggestions, please don't hesitate to turn to our customer service for help, and we will give you a satisfactory solution. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.